Cute. I mean, it's sort of like juggling, right? Anybody could juggle 3 balls. Oh, roll it over. Whoops. And then now, get it in the bucket. Get it on the thumb. Oh, you almost had it. You almost had it. This episode of The Modern Rogue brought to you by RayCon. Head on over to buyraycon.com/rogue. Make sure to use the site-wide code HOLIDAY to get 15% off and have the Zen experience of turning down the outside world and turning up your favorite sounds. This seems like one of those every rogue should know things. Every rogue should know how to roll a quarter over their knuckles. First of all, you're not actually rolling it over your knuckles, and you're not even rolling it down. That's the biggest thing here. Everybody grab a quarter. I like quarters because they happen to be just about the same width as my individual fingers, so they roll right in there. The biggest secret is the impression you're gonna give, especially if you're like, I don't know, Val Kilmer and you're able to do 2 at once. Key number 1 is that you're not actually rolling it down. You're gonna do a tabletop, make a fist. And so you'll notice that just by setting it there on 1 finger, it's not going anywhere, right? So now, keep everything tabletop position. See if you can pinch it with the webbing and get it to flip over just 1. There you go, there you go. Take as long as you want on it until you get right to that pinky. And when you get to the pinky, you're gonna set up a conveyor belt. So your pinky's gonna grab it and let it slip down. Now, my thumb is coming in underneath, and it's just gonna land on my thumb, balance on my thumb, where it comes back, conveyor belt, and starts again. Jeff, you're succumbing to the temptation to lean forward because you want to get it to roll down.
Yep.
If it's rolling down, it's out of your control. You keep everything totally horizontal and get it to just walk very, very slowly on there. You've already got it, Brad. Brad, who before we started shooting was saying, I don't know, this doesn't seem like something I can get. 30 seconds into the episode, he's already got it down.
My hands are too sticky, I can't make it go back down.
I didn't realize that it didn't go over the pinky.
But that's the impression you get, because if you get it going really fast, you can kind of get this loopy thing going where it's just 1, 2, 3, back 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, especially if you can get it on both hands, then it gets faster and faster.
Yeah, going down to the thumb is the thing that's killing me.
Okay, let's start with this. Start with it on your thumb, balanced on there, and you're gonna begin just by pinching it on that first index finger. I like to keep it back before the knuckle. There you go, and then everybody just get on top of that index finger and let it sit. There you go, that's 1. That's, wait, Jason's going ahead, there you go.
Sorry.
Jeff has it, there you go. And then now, just do the flip from first digit to second. There we go. You can even kind of tuck it forward, get it nice and balanced on there. Same thing with the third. It's gonna rotate again. There you go, you got it. Make sure to stay in that tabletop position. And now you're gonna pinch it with the pinky and just get it in between your ring and pinky finger. And then bring in that thumb, and you're gonna get back to that very first starting position with it resting on your thumb.
So I think I have sweaty hands, it doesn't want to slip down.
I know, my hands are kind of sticky.
It's probably the humidity.
Yeah.
It is really kind of gross. There you go, there you go, there you go. Okay, all right, now remember tabletop.
Yeah.
Give me tabletop fist, there you go. And then just pinch it. Pinch it.
Hands it.
And then just make sure that thumb is underneath to catch it.
Yeah.
And once you're in the pinch location, if your thumb's underneath to catch it, you just got it.
I mean,
I think this may be the fastest lesson I've ever taught. This is incredible. Jason, once you have it on the thumb, instead of pushing on your fingers across, just let it sit on the thumb and just have it travel underneath.
Okay.
So it takes the underground tunnel back. There you go, there you go. Jeff, pause it. All right, get it on the thumb. Oh, you almost had it, you almost had it. Okay, we're coming up to final exam time.
It's so sticky. Wait, does this take practice?
Well,
oh man, nobody told me that.
It's sort of like juggling or eating fire, where it's like anybody can get the first part down in a matter of minutes, but to make it look good, just takes a little bit of practice. But you've got the fundamentals, because nobody seems to understand that just that tabletop maneuver is the most important part.
Yeah, it's hard to remember to keep it.
Okay, there you go, you got it. And so thumb in, get it balanced on the thumb.
All right, yes.
Get it balanced on the thumb. You got it,
Come
you
down
got
a
it.
little further.
No help from other hands. Bring it, now just have it balanced.
Yeah.
Bring it back around.
It's not balanced yet. Okay, there it is.
And then you did it.
Hot dang.
That's one. That's one.
This is left-handed.
Oh, dang, now I have to learn left-handed. All right, Jeff, let's see yours.
I'm faster on the left.
Start here, right?
Yep.
And then.
That's it. That's it. You got it. It was a little loosey-goosey.
Yeah, it was a little loosey-goosey.
You'll notice that if you kind of make half of a fist, you have more of your the fatty tissue on your fingers that makes it actually a wider space. Like if you're doing this, it's more dexterous, but you know your fingers are thinner.
See, Mom said I would never go anywhere with my fat hands.
I thought it was your fat
Jason.
head.
Jason, you almost got it. You almost got it. Make a little bit of a fist. There we go. Oh, you almost had it.
That's the hard part for me, is getting it to slide down onto the thumb, because it's like, it's just sticking to my hand.
The longer you take, the more that you're warming it up and getting your oils from your fingers on there and all that stuff,
Oh, yeah.
which is part of why once you get a rhythm and you start moving, it'll almost start to slide on its own. All right, are we ready to all three try at the same time?
All right.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, everybody on the thumb?
Everybody on the thumb.
Okay, ready, and first finger. Wait,
Oh, it's stopping?
yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
And then pivot to second finger. There it is. Roll it to third. And then now get it in the bucket.
Get it in the bucket.
Get it on the thumb. I think Brad's the only one who's gonna graduate.
Oh
no.
It's stuck. Humidity. Humidity.
You got it.
Yeah.
You got it.
All right. Where's my diploma? Where's my?
I did it!
Move my tassel over
did
to
you
the
get it?
side.
I did. I mean, it's not graceful at all.
And it doesn't have to be, as long as you keep on working with it that way.
See, I'm gonna go to the gas station bathroom and punch that button and dry my hands so they're.
So they're dry.
And tell
They're
somebody,
dry.
you want to see a magic trick?
Then I go, hey, come to the bathroom. I got a magic trick for you.
There's a Texaco just down in the corner. Let's see how it works.
Oh my God! All right, I'm calling it. You guys got this.
Hey.
Yeah, you all graduated.
All I need is a roll of quarters. Come on.
RayCon earbuds are here for your holidays, whether you intend to give them as a gift or as a treat for yourself. Here's one thing they'll definitely do is their sound isolating fit will make the whole world just a little bit quieter so you can hear what matters to you. Their battery life is insane, up to 54 hours of use. Think about all those conversations with family members. Anytime somebody walks up, you could be like, it's relative repellent. It's incredible. And I know you may think that my favorite part is the deep, rich bass, the quality sound, the comfortable fit, but no, my favorite part is the fact that they start at half the price of those other jerks. RayCon is doing a special countdown to Christmas. Every single day they got flash deals. You're not gonna wanna miss these. So do me a favor, treat yourself right. Head on over to buyraycon.com/rogue, spell it right, R-O-G-U-E. Make sure to use promo code HOLIDAY for the site-wide 15% off. You'll be making us look good and you'll be treating yourself with respect. That's what the R in RayCon stands for. Respect. Respect all y'all's cool, outrageous nuances. Buyraycon.com/rogue. Almost certain that's a real thing.
Modern Rogue is supported in part by viewers like you at patreon.com/modernrogue. In the description, you can find all of our credits and additional ways to support the show.
Yeah, you all graduated.
All I need is a roll of quarters. Come on.
Buy his books,
go.
please.
Yeah, I need a new career.
Brad Whittington, gas station magician.